Verčer, prijatelji. So if you made 4 like me and you're left with a lot of stock, or you just have some leftover bread, or in worst case, you're broke, it's end of the month, here's a recipe for you.
So the dish I'm showing you today is called Popara. Even though it's commonly spread around the Balkan area, many people don't know this dish. But it's perfect for recycling leftovers. Enough said, let's start with the cooking. So we start off by chopping an onion into nice cubes. Alright, my garlic was old so it didn't have a peel, but here's a tip for you if the peel's still on. Just take it, smack it, and then you can take easily off the peel. Alright, I told you how to peel the garlic. Now I'm gonna mince my garlic really finely, but feel free to use a garlic press. You know me, I like my food spicy, so I'm also gonna chop some chili. But if you don't like it too spicy, here's a tip for you. You can cut a chili into 2 halves, take a spoon and take out the inner core, because the heat is in the membrane and the seeds of the chili. So by taking them off, you're left over with the really nice flavor of the chili, because chilies have a nice flavor as well. And now the bread. Well, I don't need a lot of bread, so I didn't have one laying around, so I actually bought some bread and left it sitting there for 3 days just to get old. So we're just gonna cut our bread in big chunks and that's it. Okay, we can proceed to our next step. So we take a pot and put on some oil, set the flame to a medium or high, and then we're gonna add our onions, chilies and garlic. Quickly fry it till everything gets a really nice golden color. When the bottom of the pan looks like this, we're gonna take our broth, add it. Yes, I know, mine is frozen, but it doesn't matter. And then we're gonna top it all with our bread, put a lid on, and just let it sit there until the bread is soft. In the meantime, I'm gonna prepare my herbs, so I'm gonna use some coriander from my faux videos, and we're just gonna roughly chop them. By the way, if you haven't seen them, please check them out. They're nice, you'll love them. Alright, mine looks fine, so I'm gonna scoop it in a bowl, add some cheese over it, and then add a second scoop. We're gonna take it over to our herbs, add more cheese because there's never enough cheese. Then we're gonna garnish everything with cotton cheese. Like I said, never enough cheese. And lastly, top it with our herbs.
Yeah, friends, that's it. Like I said, it's a really easy and simple recipe, perfect for when you're broke. And if you like this recipe, please give it a like. Comment me in the comment section on your ideas and future wishes. And if you haven't done so, subscribe, because you want to know what this is? You have to wait and see in future. See ya!